Everyone, welcome back once again. In today's video, we are going to talk about the cars between 10 to 20 lakh of rupees. So let's begin with this video. If you want to watch this video in Hindi, the link would be in the I button or would be in the description. So let's begin with the video. So in this video, on the basis of these 5 points, we have decided the cars. The first point is the safety, second is the features, convenience and the comfort level, third is the after sales services, fourth is the resale value and fifth is the mileage. So let's begin with the video. In the fifth position it is the Tata Harrier. In terms of safety, every, the crash test is not yet been done, but the accidents with the Harrier has been made. The safety, we hope the car safety is a 5-star rated car, and in terms of features, it's a fully loaded feature car, but the connected feature is not yet been in the Harrier, but the rest of the features is. In terms of rear seat comfort and cushioning, it's a A1. It's a perfect SUV for the people who will sit in the back and their driver or the shop will drive the car. In terms of your after sales services, it's a Tata car, so there will be no problem in the after sales services. In terms of your resale value, it has a good resale value. So the next car is the Mahindra Marazzo. In the terms of safety, it has got 4-star by the global NCAP crash test. In terms of features, it's a fully feature loaded car. The interior of the car is outstanding. In terms of space, in terms of seat cushioning, it's a perfect car for a family. In terms of your after sales services, it's a Mahindra car, so there will be no problem in the after sales services. In terms of resale value, it has a good resale value, but not as of its competitors. It gives a mileage of 17 kmpl and it only comes in the diesel manual. So it's the all new Honda City. Yes, the new generation of Honda City. In terms of safety, the Honda City is not yet being crash tested, but we hope it might score a 4-star if the crash test is done. In terms of features, it's a fully loaded feature car with the connected feature of Alexa, which comes in the top end variant. In terms of after sales services, it's a Honda car, so there will be no problem or no issues in the after sales services. And in terms of the resale value, it has a good resale value. In the sedan segment, Honda City is always the king, so the resale value will be no issue. Honda City has a lot of demand, so it gives a mileage between 18 kmpl to 24 kmpl in petrol and diesel, manual and automatic. So in the second position, it is the Kia Seltos. How we can miss this car in this price point? So in terms of safety, sadly I'm saying that it has scored 3-star. It was unbelievable by the Seltos. The demand is so high, but in terms of safety, it has scored the 3-star, and it's not at all good. But it's what to do now. It's okay. So in terms of features, it's a fully loaded feature car. In terms of after sales services, it's a Kia Motors car, so there will be no issues in the after sales services. In terms of the resale value, it has a good resale value because Seltos from the beginning is always in the top 10 best selling cars list, and it has a lot of demand in the market from the beginning. In terms of mileage, it gives a mileage between 18 kmpl to 21.1 kmpl in petrol and diesel. So in the first position, it is the Hyundai Creta. The crash test is not yet been done, but we can hope that the Creta would score a good score in the crash test by the global NCAP. In terms of features, it's a fully loaded feature car, and in terms of resale value, it has a good resale value. In terms of rear seat comfort, it's a very spacious car. Three people can sit comfortably in the rear seats. In terms of after sale services, it's a Hyundai car, so there will be no issues in the after sale services. So if you want to go for a off-roading vehicle, you can go for the Mahindra Thar. How we can forget this car in this price point? The Mahindra Thar is only built for the off-roading, and if you want to go for an off-roading SUV, so you can go for the Mahindra Thar. So this was the video for today. If you like this video, press the like button, share this video, subscribe to my channel, link between the description, and I will meet you soon.